Is that the motor for it?
No, it's a 400 that came out of the coupe.
Okay.
70 coupe.
All right, folks, we're inside the shop now. This is the S23. It's a 1970 S23 that he's restoring. This car was rough. I mean, it was rusted out bad. Yeah, he's replaced all these channels. You made these, didn't you?
No, they came out for another car.
Oh, did they? Okay.
And they replaced the whole top section.
Top section of the cowl was replaced. And you had a bell crank on the stub frame for a 4-speed, right?
There.
Still there? Oh yeah, there it is. Can y'all see that? So this car was originally green when he got it, and it was rusted out really bad. I mean, really bad. And I don't think it was 5 inches of metal on this car. It won't rust except maybe the roof. And he is in the process of restoring it. He's redone the gearbox. He's put new lines on it. He's redone the K-frame, booster, the HVAC system. And you're going to put a 440 in it?
383.
383.
There was a factory 383 car, so I've got a 383 sitting there.
Okay.
So they can go back in.
So he's going to put the engine, of course, was not with the car when he got it. It was originally a green car, what, F8 green, maybe?
FF6, I think it was.
FS, okay. And he's putting it back red. He wants to do it. He wants to build a car the way he wants to build a car. He likes C-bodies, so he's putting it back red,
White interior.
white interior. What factory color red is this?
What do they call the
Is it Tor red?
Tor red?
Tor
yes.
red, okay. So we're doing a color change because the car is no longer original. We're a little bit confused by the bell crank on the stub frame. But trust me, this car, he's done the quarters on it, the floors.
Rear window area.
Yep. I've come over here a couple times. He was doing this rear window area, and I was amazed how he's worked this out, made it look nice. And the car was just recently painted and buffed and stuff. It looks nice. It's been color sanded. Really, if you want to see a C-body, it's been really done nice. This is going to be one of them. Now, I can't show you the other cars that are in here. We don't have permission to show they belong to customers. So this will be the end of the video, folks. Take care.